Hey everyone and welcome back to Crypto Scores. Today we are zooming out on the opportunity category, one of the 6 category scores that make up a project's overall rating on the platform. This score is designed to help you spot potential opportunities in the market, whether it's a project gaining momentum, one that's oversold, or one where the data is showing early signals of a move. So what goes into the opportunity score? It combines multiple metrics that each capture a different angle on market opportunity. As an example, let's take Aave with an opportunity score of 99/100, and when we click on it and we scroll down, we can see all the metrics that are available. The RSI to detect overbought or oversold conditions, the price change over 7 days and 30 days to track short-term and mid-term momentum, TVL change over 7 and 30 days too to see where capital is flowing into DeFi, CoinGecko bookmarks to gauge retail interest buyer-seller ratio for real-time order book pressure, most viewed CoinGecko rank, Luna Crush, AltRank, Galaxy Score for social and market pulse, all of these feed into one score. So instead of having to check each one individually across thousands of projects, you get a single number that tells you if there's an opportunity worth looking at there or not. So a high opportunity score means multiple signals are aligning in a positive direction. The price action, the social momentum, the capital flows, the market structure. It doesn't mean buy now. It means the conditions are favorable and it was your attention. At the contrary, a low opportunity score, like on my screen at 25/100, not that good, pretty bad actually, and as you can see, means most of these signals are neutral or negative. This project may be stagnating, losing momentum, or sitting in a zone where there is no clear opportunity at the moment. The key is that this score changes. It's dynamic. A project with a low opportunity score today might light up next week if conditions shift. That's why checking it regularly is part of a smart analysis process. And by the way, on the main dashboard over there, you have access to the filter category. And you can sort all 7,500 plus projects by their opportunity score, highest to lowest, to find where the strongest signals are right now, lowest to highest, if you want to see what's completely off the radar. Sometimes that's where the contrarian plays are hiding. This is one of the most powerful sorts on the platform. In a few seconds, you can scan the entire market and see where the data says the opportunities are concentrated. And this is where it gets really precise. Crypto Scores gives you dedicated filters for the opportunity category. You can filter by opportunity score percentage, only show projects above a certain threshold. You can filter by RSI, set a range to find everything oversold below 30 or overbought above 70. You can filter too by price change 7 days and 30 days, set a minimum and maximum percentage to find exactly the momentum profile you are looking for. You can combine all of this at once, opportunity score above 60%, RSI below 40, positive TVL change on 30 days, and suddenly you've got a short list of oversold projects with growing DeFi capital and a recent price dip, exactly the kind of setup many investors look for. So how should you use the opportunity score? Think of it as your radar. The score tells you where the signals are clustering. The filters let you define exactly what kind of opportunity you are hunting, and when something catches your eye, you dive into the individual metrics we've covered: RSI, price change, TVL change, bookmarks, buyers, sellers, to understand the full picture. The opportunity score doesn't make the decision for you, of course. It shows you where to look. And in a market of over 7,000 projects, knowing where to look is half the battle. And as always, remember, you are the analyst. Crypto Scores gives you the tools, the scores, and the filters. You are the one connecting the dots. The opportunity score, your radar across the entire crypto market. Check it on cryptoscores.com, and we will see you there in the next one.